Welcome back to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, features, and future automotive trends. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any updates, and stay with us till the end for every key detail of the all-new 2026 Honda S2000. Your support helps us grow and bring even more exciting content to car lovers like you. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Honda S2000, a reborn icon that blends modern performance with classic roadster charm. Honda has gone above and beyond to deliver a thrilling experience in this updated model, and we're breaking down everything you need to know. Under the hood, the 2026 S2000 is rumored to feature a turbocharged inline-4 engine, possibly pushing close to 320 horsepower, though some speculations hint at a more powerful hybrid-enhanced option. Torque delivery is expected to be punchy, perfect for spirited driving. Drivers will have the option of a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a smooth 8-speed automatic, giving flexibility without compromising the performance DNA of the original model. As always, the S2000 remains a rear-wheel drive machine, promising excellent handling dynamics and driving fun. When it comes to dimensions and styling, the new S2000 stays true to its sporty heritage with a low-slung, two-door roadster body. Expect a lightweight chassis, improved aerodynamics, and a sharp front fascia with LED headlamps and a redefined grille that pays homage to the original. Length, width, and height have been slightly adjusted to improve both stability and passenger comfort while maintaining an agile wheelbase for responsive handling. Inside, the 2026 S2000 is refined with premium touches. Expect seating for two, with available leather or Alcantara upholstery, heated and ventilated sport seats, and soft-touch materials. The dashboard is likely to feature a digital instrument cluster paired with a touchscreen infotainment system that includes GPS navigation, smartphone connectivity, and voice recognition. A high-end audio system and Bluetooth integration are standard, adding convenience to every drive. Suspension-wise, Honda has likely equipped the S2000 with an independent setup tuned for precision, while a rack and pinion steering system enhances responsiveness. Performance-tuned shock absorbers ensure the perfect balance between comfort and track readiness. Braking duties are handled by large ventilated disc brakes all around, designed to give you confident stopping power when pushing the car to its limits. Safety is well accounted for too. Expect multiple airbags, a reinforced frame, anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, and advanced driver assistance systems such as lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. Other expected features include cruise control, power windows and locks, and an optional power retractable hardtop or soft top. Sunroof options and special edition trims with unique color schemes and exclusive badging may also be available, giving enthusiasts more ways to stand out. The 2026 Honda S2000 is not just a return of a classic, it's a statement of Honda's commitment to performance, style, and innovation. For the price, trims, and detailed walkaround, don't forget to check our pinned comment or video description. So stay tuned, subscribe now to Auto Drive, and don't miss any updates on the hottest cars hitting the roads. Let us know in the comments if you would take the new S2000 for a spin and which feature excites you the most.